Hi sweethearts, it's a Christmas menu series day 2. I want you to be able to wow your guests at the end of this series. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'll be using some parsley, vegetable oil, onions, sesame oil, ginger and garlic paste, a blend of tomato and habanero pepper, rice, yellow, green and red bell pepper, dried chili pepper or chili flakes, seasoning cubes and salt. I'll cut the bell peppers into this particular shape, so you're going to make it as long as possible for this recipe. I'll parboil the rice for about 7 minutes. I'm removing the seeds on the parsley seeds, then I cut it into small pieces. Next, I'll go in with some sesame oil in a pan. Then I'm going to add the garlic and ginger cream or paste, like I like to call it. This would elevate the flavor of this food, of this meal. After sauteing that for 5 minutes, I'll go in with my vegetable oil and then give that a good mix. And then I go in with some onions and then, saute for 5 to 7 minutes as well. Then I go in with some seasoning cubes, chili flakes and some salt. I go in with a combo of the tomatoes and habanero pepper, and I'll allow that to fry for a bit, say 10 minutes. When that is all done, I go in with some bell peppers, the green, the red, and the yellow. So I'm not going to add everything. I'm just going to add a little and keep out some for the end of the meal process. I would add a little water to this sauce to allow the rice to cook properly. Then I go in with the parboiled rice. I'm going to mix it very well to allow the ingredients to marry themselves in the pan. After about 7 minutes, I'll add the rest of the bell peppers to the rice and then I'll mix combine. I'll then add that parsley that we chopped. Now this is going to also elevate your food game this Christmas. Always make sure to use herbs in your food. And yes, here we have our Christmassy rice, whatever you choose to call it. I choose to call it the Christmassy rice because it represents all the colors of Christmas. I hope to see you in my next video. Do enjoy yourself and make merry in the season. Bye.